I got this really cute knit top from Shein. The focus on this is the variety of knits in it. You can see it has like this open detail, then it has these stitching across, and then it repeats down here on the bottom. It's really pretty and I like the detailing. It's also a really soft knit fabric, so it feels super good on your skin. It comes in a variety of colors, so you can get whatever fits you best. I really liked this neutral brown. And then the other thing is it's a really versatile shirt, so you could dress it up or you can dress it down. I have it with jeans, but I would definitely also wear this to work. Just throw in some dress pants with it instead and a pair of like cute heels or flats, and this would go perfectly with that outfit as well. It is a normal sized length. If you wanted to wear leggings with it, it is not longer, so it would show your bum. I got a size small and I'm about 125 pounds, and I think that the small fits me perfectly. I really love this shirt so much and I'll be wearing it a lot this fall and winter. I got this super cute button-down shirt from Ace Stylish. It comes in a variety of colors. I got the black and I think it's super cute. It comes with these like marble details buttons that pop out from the fabric, so I think that's a nice detail as well. It has pockets on both sides. These are real pockets. They button in place. And then on the side here, it also has a button. And if I dig in here, it has tabs so that you can make this shorter or longer in length. I'm just rolling them up, but you can choose to use this and then you hook it on here as well. It is a longer size shirt. I have it tucked in, but if I were to untuck it, it does cover my bum, so I could wear leggings. I'm about 5'3" and 125 pounds, and this is a size small and it fits me perfectly. It's so comfortable and I feel like it goes with like jeans, leggings, what have you, and you'll look great in them. Pair them with some boots and you definitely have a cute outfit. I love this and I can't wait to wear it around. I got this super cute oversized shirt from Ace Stylish. It's a corduroy shirt and it's so soft. It feels really good on your skin. You can see the stripes of the corduroy right here. It's really soft, like I mentioned. I like that it's oversized. It is long enough to cover your bum, so you can wear it with some leggings, which is what I did. I threw in some leggings and some knee-high boots, and it makes for a really cute outfit, and it's so simple and it's so comfortable. So I just really love it. It has this pocket right here for extra detail. You can go ahead and throw like your sunglasses over it or your cell phone, for example. And it is buttoned down, so if you want to, you can go ahead and I have a t-shirt underneath. I could unbutton it and leave it open, or you can style it how I have it, fully buttoned up. It's also really warm, so it's great for the fall and winter, and you won't have to worry about being cold or uncomfortable. And then if you do get a little warm, like I mentioned, you can just unbutton the center here because it is a button up. So I think it's just a really cute outfit. I love it and I can't wait to wear it out. I love these new capri jeans that I got from the brand Sidefeel. They are super cute. They got the whole raw hem, which is super in right now. And then they have your belt loop, so you can add a belt. And then they have your typical pockets like you normally would. They're actually really deep. These are decent pockets for a pair of jeans. The material themselves are really comfy and stretchy like jeggings, but they're also like a nice thick fabric. They don't feel like they would fall apart. They're very comfortable and sturdy. The back is very complimentary for your bum, and it has the pockets in the back as well. I got a size 4 and I'm about 125 pounds, and this is how the size 4 fits me. They're just like a little bit loose in the right places, and like I mentioned, they're flattering on the behind area. So I definitely think whatever color you get them in, they're super cute and I definitely love them. I got this super cute oversized jacket from Shein. I really love the feel of the fabric and the print on it. It looks dressy, so you can dress it up or dress it down. Right now I have it just casually with a pair of leggings. It is oversized and longer in length, which I love because it covers your bum if you are wearing leggings. Some of the details about this is it has these snap buttons. So as you can see, it snaps in. You can wear it buttoned up or buttoned down. It's very easy to snap together. And then it has two pockets right here, which also have the snap button. So they're really nice and secure. You can put your wallet or whatever you want in there. And then it has a pocket on this side as well. Furthermore, it has pockets on the seams of both sides, so you can use these, because what lady could ever have too many pockets? I love having pockets. And then overall, it's just like really comfortable, nice length. There are a variety of colors. I got the black and white because I love the classic look. And I just love this. I think it's so comfortable, and I think you'll love it too.